Can you imagine two cryptocurrencies working on two different blockchains are exhibiting or showing similar price pattern? They are in complete harmony and synchronization with respect to price. Well, in this video I am going to show you step by step how to reach the similarities, number of zones of similarities. And so let's get started. First, we have the price chart over here on the screen of ADA cryptocurrency. For the comparison, we will start with adding the VeChain cryptocurrency which we are going to compare with. I have gone through many cryptocurrencies and VeChain is one which I found very similar pattern to ADA. So right now it is on percentage scale. We'll change the scale to logarithmic scale, and now you can see the similarities here. To see the exact similarities, we will add exponential moving average on the ADA price chart. To do that, we'll go to the indicator section and type exponential moving average EMA, and then add the exponential moving average. Now it is showing on the screen. We also change the length of the exponential moving average to 2 days. Now we have the exponential moving average with length 2 days, similar to the exponential moving average for VET cryptocurrency. To hide the candlestick price chart, we will go to the hide section and hide it over here. Now there are a lot of similarity points or zones, you can say. One is this downtrend, and then this over here second. Similarly, we have this down here, this down over here, then going up, this one, and then down. Then at the same times both start bull run, reach to the maxima all-time high, and then start going down. So here, then again the same downtrend, and at the end of this, right now ADA is moving sideways. Similarly, VET is also start moving sideways. If you are very optimistic about ADA cryptocurrency, then do add VET in your portfolio, because that is behaving very similar to ADA cryptocurrency and it will give you optimistic return in future. This is Crypto Sarthi to reduce risk. Thanks for watching.